Now that we have the lighting how we want it, and we have our Cheerio box in a nice composition, let's work on how to export this as a PNG with a transparent background. We're going to start in the Render Properties tab off to the right. I'm going to click that. It looks like the back of a camera. I'm going to go all the way down to the Film tab. I'm going to click on the Film tab and see all these settings. The only setting we need to change is transparent. So check the transparent box. This is going to make sure that our background is transparent. Next thing we need to adjust is the output properties, and that's right underneath our render properties. Output properties. We're going to go all the way down to output. We're going to make sure that this is going to go in the folder that we want it to go in. And we're going to check the file format. You can change the file format to all of these options here. We want to keep this as a PNG because we want a transparent background, but you have a lot of options to work with if you would like to export it as something else. For our color, we're going to make sure that we're on RGBA. And the rest of these settings look good to me. Next, I'm going to go all the way to the top left to our render tab. I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click render image. Here's our rendered image. I'm going to go back up to the top left, click image, and save as. Here I'm going to save it as something Cereal box transparent background. And save as image. So that is how you export a PNG with a transparent background.